Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Philips. Firstly, make sure that you turn on the Bluetooth. Open control panel and turn on if it turn off. Now, your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there is a problem for iOS devices that we need to do this manually. After you turn on the Bluetooth, go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your headphones here. And we have connection. You can also try to do this on your Android device, because sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically. So try to just tap on them in the Bluetooth. Okay, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to find power button, located at the right ear cup. Right here we have it, press and hold it to turn off your headphones. After that, turn on them and check is this problem fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. Also, it will reconnect automatically, but as I said before, sometimes it happens that you need to reconnect it manually, so tap on them. At least try to do this. Okay, next step, so factory reset. And to perform a factory reset is pretty easy. At these headphones, you need to press and hold at the same time. Volume up button would have a plus icon, and volume down button would have minus icon. Again, it's located at the right ear cup. And you need to press and hold it until the LED light right here near to the power button start blinking blue and white. Oh no, sorry, it start blinking blue. So press and hold. Here we go, now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device, or maybe you have forget device button or unpair button or refresh button, and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth. Or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap on them. And we reconnect them. Now check, is your problem fixed? If it doesn't, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have a system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. Tap at the general line, scroll down. Right here at the top we have transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset, and in this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap at this line, then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Okay, that's it for iOS, now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the system. Scroll down, click at the system. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset Options. Tap at this line. In this window, you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!